Go Foods as a company, we're driven by our mission and our vision. This company really has one goal. It's to feed and prosper families. And we do it by serving, saving, and sharing. And the serving and saving and sharing that we use, and I'm going to talk about more of its relevancy tonight, is food. It's relevant. It's easy to prepare. It's high quality. And it's for our on-the-go lifestyles. We can serve it, we can save it, and we can share it. We can save money in our homes. We can help others and encourage people to eat nutritiously. We can encourage them to spend more time together, taking advantage of the type of food that we create, backed by our Nutriversal seal. And the food that people eat today is as mouth-watering right now, tonight. If you prepare the meal, it'll be just as mouth-watering in 25 years from now. That's what's so amazing about our food and the way that we go about preparing it. Our Nutriversal seal is unique in the industry. We have a kosher certification. That's the crown jewel. We have no high fructose corn syrup. We have no trans fats. We have no hydrogenated oils. It's natural. Many of our foods are made up primarily of organic ingredients. We date stamp. We don't irradiate any of our food. It's made in the USA. We have gluten-free, soy-free, lactose-free. We have a unique food line. And once you do a little bit of due diligence, you'll understand why our Nutriversal seal is so exciting, if you will. We promise our meals will be quick. All you have to do to rehydrate them is just add water, cut open the bag. The bags are sealed of any light. We remove the moisture, we remove the light, and we prepare this food in such a way by removing the oxygen as well. That's how we get this great long-term storable food, by packaging it in really great packages, by doing those three things. That's how, and we use, of course, great ingredients in our food. Most of these meals can be prepared in about 12 to 15 minutes. And so that really is what makes up what our Nutriversal seal is. Extended shelf life. We make them so it's a quick fix, and they can be used every day in your home. And I'm going to talk more about that as we go on, why incorporating these foods in your day-to-day life is just as important as setting some of this food aside. Now, you don't have to look very far to see what's happened in our country and along the northeastern seaboard, and all the way from up clear above New York all the way down to Florida and then inward. This Hurricane Sandy was pretty obvious that right around us at any given time, we can lose power, we can be in a position either through job or catastrophic events and things out of our control where we need to have food taken care of in our life. Food, water, and air, these are so critical to us. Can't do a lot about the air. We can do something about the water. But most people don't take the time to really do anything about their food insecurity. As I've traveled around and enjoyed the opportunity to talk about Go Foods on what we call the Go Tour across the United States, one of the things that we always would bring up, and I think it was a shock to a lot of people, is that even our government puts out an official USDA, the United States Department of Agriculture, puts out a food plan, and they've been tracking it for at least 2 decades, of what the cost of food is in an American home at different levels. And the one that I always find so interesting to talk about is the cost for a family of 4. That would be a couple, 2 adults between the ages of 19 and 50, and 2 children. That means you have 1 child in the 2 to 5-year range and 1 child in the 6 to 11-year range. Think about that. It's a young family. It's not a big family. Did you know that the average cost in 2012, September, the cost is $1,021 per the United States government? That's the average amount of money that you and I spend at the grocery store. If you think about that just for a moment, you're providing meals for your family, a small family of 4, the government's tracked it for 20 years, they do it every month. We are spending that much money every month on average. If you're on a moderate budget, you'll spend a little less, and if you spend more, it's going to be higher. But the average in this country for American families is over $1,000 a month. But that doesn't even include what we spend away from home, which on average is another couple $100 a month. And that's for meals eaten out, that's for quick snacks grab, coffee, energy, all the things that we do in this day and age. If you put that whole amount of money together, do you realize that's pushing up around $15,000 a year? Is there any wonder why there's 14 million hungry kids, 20,000 people going on food stamps and applying for them on a daily basis, 47 million people on food stamps? and half of every American household is on some form of food subsidy. What does all that mean? You and I, when we eat out, the average cost in America is $10 to $14 per person to provide an entree and eat out with them. The average cost to prepare a meal in your home ranges between $3 and $6. But here's the good news. The average cost per entree serving meal with Go Foods for our soups and our entree meals is $1.50 per serving. Not 3 to 6 to prepare it in your home like most food, and certainly not 10 to 14 what it costs if you're actually eating out. Our suggestion, and going back to really the meat of what I wanted to talk about this evening, is that if you look at the last 8 years, think of this just for a moment. 2004, I went to the USDA's Food Plan website and looked to see what it costs in September of 2004. That's 8 years, you think about it. It's not that long ago. The cost to feed a family of 4 was $792 a month. In 2008, it was $972. And in 2012, it's $1,021. So that means that just in the last few years, it's went up $600 a year. In the last 8 years, it's went up $2,800 a year to feed our family. So is there any question that we should be storing, we should be saving, we should be locking in price, availability, and we should be sharing this message with everyone that we come in contact with? With our food, it's so easy to incorporate in your everyday life because you can easily find breakfast goods, baked goods, soups, entrees, snacks. All of them are ready to go. They were formulated to taste great, to be prepared quickly. I'm going to give you just a few examples of just how easy it is to incorporate our food and why, if you'll just take the approach that you can actually start saving money each week in your food bill, and you can start setting food aside, and you can do it without breaking the bank and without a lot of fuss and a lot of concern. And so tonight I wanted to share with you just a few of the recipes I'm familiar with. We have one that we call shepherd's pie. It's so easy. It's a comfort food. It's so easy to prepare. When I grew up, my mom used to make her own version of a shepherd's pie. The way we look at it, you can take some turkey or some chicken or ground beef, about a pound of it. Take a pouch of our seasoned mashed potatoes. You take a little cream cheese, you cut it up, you take some shredded cheese, like cheddar, a little bit of garlic, and you add in about 3 to 4 cups of frozen vegetables, any of the kind that you like, and you prepare, either you buy it or you easily make some turkey or chicken gravy, some kind of protein-based gravy. You layer it just like you do a shepherd's pie, and by using our mashed potatoes and the things that I just talked about, you heat that at 375 for about roughly 20 or 30 minutes, and sprinkle a few breadcrumbs, if you will, on top of it, and man, you've got a great meal. If you want, you can put the remaining cheddar cheese on the top. Many of these recipes that I'm giving to you are all on our website. We put new recipes out each week with our Go News. And you know what's great about the meal I just described to you about that shepherd's pie? We're talking about $10. It'll feed 6 to 8 people a very hearty, delicious, tasty meal. And it can be prepared very, very quickly. That's just one of them. How about taking one of our soups? I love our chicken noodle soup as an example. You simply just open it, prepare it, follow the directions. And if you don't want to even go ahead and cook your own rotisserie-style chicken, you can buy them inexpensively at the grocery store. I like to take that rotisserie chicken. I like to come home with it. I like to take the skin off. I will pull or jerk about half of that cooked chicken in small pieces. I drop that into the soup, which takes about 14 minutes to prepare, and you've got a great meal for less than $8 or half the cost of the chicken, plus the pouch of the chicken noodle soup, and you can feed 4 people for right around $2 a serving. Set the other part of the chicken aside, if you will, and use it in another one of our soups or another one of our entree meals. I'll round it out with a dessert. We all like desserts, right? Well, you can take a little bit of brown sugar, half a cup, 1 egg, some vanilla, about a teaspoon, a little bit of butter, a little bit of salt, and a half a cup of our pancake mix, if you will, and about a half a cup, when I say our pancake mix, that would be our baked goods or our Babs pancake mix, a half a cup of chocolate chips, and prepare an entire tray, a dozen or so great, delicious cookies, for less than $2 for the whole doggone tray. Quickly incorporating this amazing Go Foods. You can make great chocolate chip cookies. You make it with our pancake mix. It's one of numerous things you can do. So we've talked about a dessert. We've talked about a soup. We've talked about taking one of our mashed potatoes and adding some other ingredients. What's great is all of our meals stand alone and you don't have to add a darn thing to them. But you can quickly take them and use them as a starter or a base and you incorporate them into your home. Find out the meals that you like. But by all means, the most important thing that we like to talk about here at Go Food is to serve, is to save, and is to share this food. So you serve it to find out what you like. You serve a little of it to help you in your weekly grocery budget. When you talk about preparing the average cost of meal in America is $3 to $6, and you can buy our food at $1.50 an entree serving and actually have a great meal, you're saving a tremendous amount of money. So we just say incorporate. If you spend $800 at the grocery store a month, which is below the national average, why not spend $100 or $150, buy some Go Foods, eat some of it. You're going to set some aside, and when trouble happens, whether it's a job, it's catastrophic, it's the economy, you will be prepared. And our mission as a company is to help people put themselves in a situation where they can take control of one of their greatest dependency, if not their greatest dependency, which is food. And over the period of 3 months, 6 months, a year and a half, without taking any money out of their budget, they will have a plan. And if you have to make a decision and you are in a time of need, it's already too late. Be prepared. Take the time to say, I'm going to do something about my family security now. Go Foods is a great company. We have great products. They'll make a difference in your life. You'll be proud to share it with people. They can sample it for free. Set some aside each and every month, and you can eat it to take the edge off of your current budget and save some money. I'm Brad Stewart. Have a great evening. Thanks for joining the call. Have a good night.